Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the rear wiper on a BMW X3. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your BMW X3 is parked safely with the ignition off. This ensures no accidental activation during the process. Locate the rear wiper arm and the blade assembly. It's usually quite visible on the rear window. This simple preparation makes the replacement quick and easy. Now let's remove the old blade. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it clicks and locks into an upright position. This provides clear access. Next, look for a small tab on the wiper blade connector where it meets the arm. Press this tab firmly to release the locking mechanism. With the tab pressed, slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should come off with minimal effort. Installing the new blade is just as straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Avoid letting it snap down to prevent damage. To complete the process, perform a quick test. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate the rear wiper function. Observe the new blade as it moves across the window. It should make full, even contact and clear the glass smoothly without streaks or chattering. This confirms a successful installation. Remember, regular checks keep your visibility optimal. Also, for an even easier clean at home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.